Hello guys, welcome back our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to turn a simple logo into 3D using a logo mockup in Photoshop. Before we start, please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Step 1. Download the logo mockup. To download a logo mockup, open your browser and search for Logo Mockup. Press Enter. Now, open the website called Graphics Family. Here, you'll find a variety of logo mockups. Choose the one you like. I'm going to download this one. Scroll down and click on the Download button. The download will start automatically. Once the zip file is downloaded, click on the three dots, then click Show in Folder. Find the logo zip file. Right-click on it and select Extract Here. Now, open the PSD file that was extracted. Step 2. Replace the logo in the PSD file. Double-click on the logo layer and delete the existing logo. Next, open Illustrator. Copy your logo and then open Photoshop. Paste the logo into the PSD file using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Select Pixel in the dialog box and click OK. Adjust the logo as needed. Then hit Enter to finalize its placement. Close this file to update the mockup. Congratulations! Your logo is now in 3D. Step 3. Save your 3D logo. To save it, go to File, Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Change the file name if needed. Then select JPG as the format and click Save. Finally, click OK to confirm. If you like this video, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Also, leave a comment letting me know what kind of graphic design content you'd like me to upload next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.